Hi guys, welcome to day 12 of our design challenge. In today's challenge, I'll be showing you how to create this exceptional birthday flyer using just your smartphone. Trust me, the techniques you're about to learn will take your skill to the next level. If you are ready to create something truly amazing, make sure you watch this video till the very end. You don't want to miss any step. Now, without further ado, let's dive into it. First thing first, click on this icon at the right top corner of your phone, go to image size. So guys, this is the dimension we're using to create this design. The reason why I always do this is because of those of you who are watching my tutorial video for the first time. It is important I show you the dimension so that you won't ask me what's the dimension of my workspace in the comment section. So if you have done that, click on OK. Now let me import the background of the design. So guys, this is the background of the design. Click on your good icon. Click on the center icon, go to relative size, increase it from here. Beautiful. Click on your good icon. Now click on this icon, make sure you lock your background. The next thing we need to do is for us to import the pictures of the celebrant one after the other. So guys, this is the first image. Crop this part out, crop this other part out. You understand? You know how we do it. Yes, so just crop them out. Okay. And click on your good icon, increase the image, increase it again, so increase it for the last time, so place it here. Now go to eraser, increase this. Now let's erase this part out, so go ahead and erase this part out. So guys, I would like to say this quickly. You see, as a graphic designer, one of the key signs that shows you are improving and getting better is your ability to recreate other people's designs. If you can do this successfully, believe me, you're on the right path. One of the biggest challenges many designers face is recreating other people's designs. Sometimes I find it difficult. That's why before I recreate anybody's design, I take my time to study their design. You understand? That's why before attempting to recreate a design, it is important you understand the font the person used, the layout, so you can replicate the design accurately. So if you really want to be a better designer, it is important you recreate other people's design the way it is. By so doing, you are refining your skill. Hope you get. So guys, let's continue. Hope you heard what I said. Yes. Now copy this one, delete the one behind. Okay, take this up, copy it, go to crop, flip it to the other side. Now unlock this other one, then let's work on this one. Reduce it. Okay, reduce it a little. Okay, place it here. Now for this other one, move it. Okay. Okay. Hope you can see what I've done. Hope you can see it. Now click on this. Click on this icon. Click on this. Now highlight both of them. Then click on this. Go to relative size. Increase it. Okay, let's reduce it a little. Okay, increase it again. This is good. Now highlight the two pictures again. Click on this. Now let's move them. Move them. Okay, this is good. Bring the both of them down a little. Highlight this one. Now go to position. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Okay, move it again, take it up. Move it again, take it up. Okay. This is okay. Now let's edit this other one. The first picture. Go to color filters. Increase the brightness. Okay, now increase the saturation a little, increase the contrast. Okay, now for this other one, still edit it. Increase the saturation, increase the brightness, then increase the contrast. This is good. Now go ahead and lock the two images. Let's import the last image. So guys, this is the last image. Click on your good icon. So bring it down, place it here. Hope you can see. Yes. So go ahead and place it here. Okay. Let's see. Highlight it. Let's reduce the picture a little. Okay. Now bring it down a little. This is good. Follow me carefully. Highlight this one. Highlight this picture. Copy it. Now rotate it. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Yes. Go to crop. Flip it to the other side. Now bring it down. Place it here. Okay. Now the next thing we need to do is for us to reduce the opacity. Go to opacity. Reduce the opacity. Hope you can see that effect. Yes. Okay. The reason why we are doing this is so that we can make the image look real. Let it be realistic. You understand? If you don't do this, it will look as if the guy is flying. Meanwhile, he's walking. So for us to make it look as though he's walking, we need to duplicate it. You see? And unlock it. Beautiful. Now the next thing is for us to write a birthday wish. So go to your A icon, go to text, go to edit. So guys, as you can see, I'm done writing the happy birthday wish. So click on OK, bring it down, go to font. I'll be using a peculiar font, Montserrat medium. Yes. Guys, the next thing we need to do is for us to give the write-up a color. So this is the color we'll be making use of. Beautiful. Now stretch the write-up. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Now reduce it. Follow me carefully. Reduce it. Okay. Take it up. Place it here. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Go to size. Reduce it again. Take it up. Okay. Bring it down a little. Copy it. Place it here. Hope you can see what I'm doing. And click on this icon. Highlight both of them. Move them. Move them. Yes, this is good. Yes. The next thing we need to do is for us to take the write-up down. So copy it, bring it down, place it here. Okay, this time around let's increase the font width. Yes, increase it to semi-bold. So highlight it, take it behind the celebrant. Yes. Just take it up a little, place it here. Copy it again. Bring it down. So take it behind the celebrant. Copy it again. Place it here, but this time around go to opacity. Reduce the opacity. Yes. Copy it again. So place it here. Okay. That's not all. Click on this. Copy it again. Place it here, but this time around we are going to increase it. So highlight it. Go to size. Increase the size. Yes. Reduce it a little. Place it here. Okay, go ahead and copy it again. So place it here. Okay, now we'll be writing his name, so go to text. His name is Praise Jude, so write Praise, click on OK. Don't worry, follow me. Go to color, give it this color. Now go to font. This is the font to be making use of, Hanky Demo. Yes, click on OK. Now go to size, increase the size, bring it down. Okay, let's see. Okay, now copy it, write the word praise. So we can see what I'm doing. Increase it. Okay, so move it. Yes, now for the two letters PR, go to size, reduce the size a little. Hope you get. Now bring it down, take it close to the other letters. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Yes, now I'll be merging both of them, so merge the two of them. Yes, merge them. Okay, that's good. So I'm going to pause the video so I can hurry up. Oh, don't worry, let's continue. Now go to text again, go to edit, be writing the word JUD. Yes, and go to color, we're giving it this color, and still go back to font, we're using this same font. So go to size, increase the size. Yes, reduce it, place it here. Okay, we'll have to reduce this name, you understand? Reduce it. So highlight the JUD, copy it, go to edit, write the word E. You understand? Now bring it down. So bring it down, yes, go to size, increase the size. Don't worry, follow me. Yes, go to position, take it up. Okay, let's see. Now go back to size, reduce the size again. Okay, go to position. Okay, move it. Let's see. Okay, now for praise, take it down. Please, when creating your design, take your time to do your own. You understand? I'm trying to rush. Just take your time and create yours. In case you have the exact font, you can use the exact font, but this was what I could find. This was the closest font I could find. So when creating yours, take your time. So I'm going to pause this video so I can finish everything very fast. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with the design and I want to take it to PixelLab so we can edit the design quickly. So guys, we are now in PixelLab, so I want you to follow me carefully. I just added a lens flare, so I believe you know how to add. Go to blend, change it to screen. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Now increase it. Yes, place it here, somewhere here. Yes, now copy it, click on this, click on duplicate it, place it here. Just bring it down. Yes, reduce the opacity. Hope you can see the effect. Yes, now duplicate it again, bring it here. Hope you can see the effect. Okay, now duplicate it again, place it here. That's good. Click on your good icon. Now go to tools, go to adjust, increase the brightness a little, and increase the contrast a little. Go ahead and increase the saturation a little. Now for the shadow, increase it a little. So guys, that's all. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like the video, drop a comment, possibly share. Thank you all, and don't forget to watch the video that will appear on your screen right now. See you tomorrow.